how to start collaboration in Instagram after posting. So guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can add the collaboration on Instagram after posting. So let's get started. So first of all, you will have to open your Instagram account. So I'm opening the Instagram account. All right, so now from here you will have to click on this profile icon just at the bottom right corner of your screen. Okay, so now from here you will have to choose the post whom you want to add collaboration. So simply I'm choosing this post, and from here you will have to click on this three line to add collaboration. So simply click on it. Okay, so now from here you will have to go with the option like edit. So simply tap on it. Okay, so from here you can see the options like add collaborators, like it will appear on the first. So simply tap on this add collaborator option. Okay, so simply you have to click on this invite collaborator. So now from here you will have to invite your collaborators. So if they accept the collaboration, post will be shared as the collaboration in Instagram. So this is the simple method to add collaboration in Instagram after posting the post. Alright, so likewise you can also add the collaborator in your post after posting that picture. So if any queries are arise, just let me know them in comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.